Did you know your jacket could literally make or break your day in the field? Whether you're braving the backcountry, patrolling the streets, or just want pockets, lots of them, choosing the right tactical jacket matters more than you think. So, which one truly earns its stripes? Let's break down the top 5 tactical jackets that blend performance, protection, and practicality, and by the end, we'll crown the ultimate winner. Ready? Let's gear up. Number 5. Rothco Special Tactical Jacket. The Rothco Special Ops Softshell Jacket is a versatile and budget-friendly outerwear option designed for tactical professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday users seeking reliable weather protection and utility. Constructed with a 3-layer waterproof and wind-resistant polyester shell, complemented by a fleece lining, it effectively retains heat while wicking away moisture, ensuring comfort in cold and wet conditions. The jacket features 8 strategically placed pockets, including dual-zippered chest pockets with internal D-rings and wire pass-through ports, 2 shoulder pockets, 2 internal pockets, and a dual-entry back pocket, providing ample storage for essential gear. Additional design elements such as underarm ventilation zippers, a detachable hood, adjustable elastic wrist cuffs, and a drawstring waist enhance its adaptability and user comfort. In real-world scenarios, the jacket performs admirably for activities like hiking, camping, and casual wear, offering substantial protection against wind and moderate rain. However, it's important to note that while the jacket is water-resistant, the zippers are not waterproof, which may allow water ingress during heavy downpours. Number 4. Helikon-Tex Men Outdoor Jacket. The Helikon-Tex Pilgrim Anorak Jacket is a robust, purpose-built outer layer tailored for bushcraft, hiking, and outdoor survival in temperate to cold climates. Crafted from Duracanvas, a durable blend of polyester, cotton, and elastane, it offers abrasion resistance, flexibility, and the option to apply wax for enhanced water repellency. The jacket's design includes a long cut for extended coverage, an adjustable 3-point hood with a stiffened visor, and a half-zip front that facilitates easy wear and improved ventilation. Its 7 strategically placed pockets, including an insulated kangaroo pocket and mesh-lined chest pockets, provide ample storage and accessibility, even when seated or wearing a backpack. Underarm ventilation zippers and adjustable cuffs further enhance breathability and comfort during high-exertion activities. In real-world use, the Pilgrim Anorak excels in providing wind resistance and moderate water repellency, especially when treated with products like Nikwax Cotton Proof. However, it's not fully waterproof and may require additional layering or waterproof shells in heavy rain. Number 3. Tru-Spec Tactical Softshell Jacket. The Tru-Spec Men's 24/7 Tactical Softshell Jacket is designed for law enforcement, security professionals, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a lightweight, functional outer layer. Constructed from 100% polyester with a durable water-repellent (DWR) finish, the jacket offers moderate wind and water resistance, making it suitable for mild weather conditions. Key features include a fleece-lined zip-through collar for added comfort, side seam zippers that provide quick access to a duty belt or holstered firearm, and multiple pockets, 2 angled waist pockets with mesh lining and hidden zippers, 2 rear zippered pockets on the lower back, and sleeve pockets with loop patches for identification or morale patches. The jacket's design allows it to be worn over ballistic vests or holstered firearms without restricting movement. In practical use, the jacket performs adequately as a windbreaker and offers some protection against light rain. However, users have noted that the jacket's water resistance diminishes in heavier precipitation, particularly around the elbows. The fit is generally snug, especially in the chest and torso areas, which may limit layering options. Additionally, while the jacket includes several pockets, some users find the rear pockets difficult to access and question their practicality. Number 2. Free Soldier Men's Outdoor Jacket. The Free Soldier Men's Outdoor Waterproof Softshell Hooded Military Tactical Jacket is a versatile and budget-friendly option designed for outdoor enthusiasts, tactical professionals, and everyday users seeking reliable weather protection and utility. Constructed from a blend of 94% polyester and 6% spandex, it features a durable water-repellent and windproof fabric, complemented by a fleece lining that provides warmth and comfort during cool to cold temperatures. The jacket includes a concealable 3D hood, adjustable cuffs, and a drawstring waist, enhancing its adaptability and user comfort. With 7 large storage pockets, including 2 chest pockets, 2 sleeve pockets, and a large back zipper pocket, It offers ample storage for essential gear. The front double zipper design allows for easy wear and improved ventilation. In real-world scenarios, the jacket performs admirably as a windbreaker and offers substantial protection against light rain and snow. However, while the material is water-resistant, it may not withstand heavy downpours without additional waterproofing. Users have noted that the jacket tends to feel a bit stuffy during high-intensity activities, and the ventilation zippers, while helpful, are not a complete fix. Number 1. 5.11 Tactical Men's 5-in-1 Jacket. The 5.11 Tactical Men's 5-in-1 Jacket 2.0, Style 48360, is a multifunctional outerwear solution engineered for law enforcement, emergency responders, and tactical professionals who require adaptability across diverse weather conditions and operational scenarios. Constructed with a 100% polyester hardshell featuring mechanical stretch, the outer layer boasts a 10K per 10K waterproof and breathable rating, fully seam-sealed for enhanced protection against wind, rain, and snow. The inner jacket, made from 100% Polytech fleece, offers warmth and breathability, with zip-off sleeves allowing it to convert into a tactical vest for added versatility. Key features include the quick-zip system for rapid firearm access and ventilation, a detachable hood that stows into the collar, multiple pockets on both layers for secure storage, and mic and camera loops to support field operations. Additionally, the jacket is treated for bloodborne pathogen, BBP, resistance, catering to high-risk environments. In practical applications, the jacket performs reliably, providing substantial protection and adaptability. In conclusion, the best tactical jackets combine durability, functionality, and comfort to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts, military personnel, law enforcement, and everyday adventurers. Whether you're facing harsh weather, rugged terrain, or simply need practical storage and mobility, a well-chosen tactical jacket can significantly enhance your performance and protection. From waterproof materials and reinforced stitching to multiple pockets and concealed carry options, these jackets are designed to adapt to a wide range of environments and tasks. When selecting the right one, consider your specific needs, such as climate, intended use, and mobility requirements, to ensure optimal performance and value. Investing in a high-quality tactical jacket is not just about style, it's about readiness, resilience, and reliability.